NetAngel. Prevention, education, protection. Our videos are designed for parents, by parents. In this video we're going to talk about Instagram, including what is Instagram and what is its age rating? Why is it so popular and does Instagram have any parental controls? Instagram is a social media platform that allows users to share photos and videos, as well as to interact with others through likes, comments, and direct messaging. Users can also edit their photos and videos with filters and other creative tools. The platform is primarily used on mobile devices, but can also be accessed through a web browser. Instagram was launched in 2010 and was acquired by Facebook in 2012. Instagram has a minimum age requirement of 13 years old. This is because the platform's terms of service, which all users must agree to before creating an account, state that the service is not intended for children under 13 years of age. Additionally, the Children's Online Privacy Protection Act, COPPA, in the United States and similar laws in other countries prohibit companies from collecting personal information from children under 13 without parental consent. Instagram's age requirement is in compliance with these laws. Instagram is popular for a variety of reasons. One of the main reasons is its visual focus, as users can share and view photos and videos. This allows people to easily connect with others through shared interests, experiences, and visual storytelling. Additionally, Instagram's features such as filters, editing tools, and hashtags make it easy for users to create and discover visually engaging content. Instagram also has a strong social aspect, as users can interact with others through likes, comments, and direct messaging. The platform's algorithm also helps users to discover new content and accounts that are relevant to their interests. Instagram offers a number of parental controls to help parents and guardians manage their child's use of the platform. Some of the features that Instagram offers include setting up a restricted profile. This allows parents to control who can see their child's posts and who can send direct messages to their child. Comment filtering. Parents can filter comments on their child's posts so that only comments from people they follow or approved followers will be visible to their child. Setting time limits. Parents can set a daily time limit for their child's use of the app. Once the time limit is reached, their child will be prompted to take a break. Requesting deletion of accounts. Parents can request the deletion of their child's account if they are under 13 years old. Communication settings. Parents can control who their child can direct message, who can send them direct messages, and who can request to follow them. It's worth noting that these features are intended as tools to help parents and guardians manage their child's use of the platform, and that no technology can replace the role of a parent or guardian in monitoring and supervising their child's online activities. To recap, as of September 2021, Instagram has over 1 billion monthly active users. This number is constantly growing and changing, as new users join and others leave the platform. You have to be over the age of 13 to have an Instagram account. Instagram offers a number of parental controls to help parents and guardians manage their child's use of the platform. Please don't forget to subscribe and like and share our videos.